Hi, welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the underlying landscape when you're using virtual height field mesh. And I want to mention that this is not a tutorial on virtual height field mesh. And if you want a tutorial, I'll add some links in the description. Then you can have the easy way. And also if you want to know the underline, and there's a tutorial for that as well. Let me show you the problem. So let me turn on the wireframe mode like this. When I click my landscape, and now you can see my landscape with this yellow color. As you can see, we don't have any geometry closer to the camera. And then we select the virtual height field mesh. We can see more geometry close to the camera, and that's exactly what we need. And there's a problem. Now you can see we have a landscape, and on top of that we have the virtual height field mesh. And if your texture has negative displacement, and there is no way we can see them, and that's why you can see some sort of weird behavior in this rock texture. Unfortunately, how to fix this is quite simple. I discovered this from a user called Chris Hoffman. He just commented on one of my video, and he explained me everything, and thank you. So here's how to do that. First, select your landscape from the world outline, and then go to the details panel, search for virtual. Then you have the virtual texture settings. Now there's an option called draw in main pass, and here select never. So basically here we are asking virtual texture system to render our landscape in the main pass, only with virtual texturing. Now I can see some weird texture over here, and that's totally fine. I'm going to save this level, and then I'm going to restart my level. If I select my landscape, now we can see the previous behavior. I can show you that with the brush wireframe mode. Okay, we have the landscape, and on top of that we have the virtual height field mesh. But if I select anything else, so now our landscape is gone. Now we only have the virtual height field mesh, and that's exactly what we need. Now we can see my displacement textures are quite nice, right? I can see the full displacement of my texture, and it's really nice. Then if I hide my virtual height field mesh, and there is no landscape. So you can see now we have the grass over here, but we don't have the actual landscape. So we can enable the virtual height field mesh, and then we can get our landscape back. And there's one special thing that you need to think about. Now let's say you are going to paint some layer on top of this landscape. Then I can open the mode landscape. I can select the paint section. Let's say we are going to paint some sand over here. Right now you cannot see any sort of like landscape brush over here. I cannot see any details on what to paint and where to paint. In this case, you can select your landscape from the world outline. Now you can see some brush details. Then I can paint as usual, and then as soon as I select something else in my landscape, then I cannot see any details with my brush. All right, that's it for this video. See you soon with something interesting. Bye.